Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet a pair of cool earrings. Need about 10 mins. Select the yarn you like, 42 chains as foundation. Back to the last but 2 stitches loop, starting from here. I'll half double crochet through the first row, 40 pieces in total. Yarn over, pull yarn. Then pull yarn through all the 3 loops. That's one half double crochet stitch. The second round, chain 1 first, then 1 short crochet stitch, next one short crochet stitch, next 2 short crochet stitches in 1 stitch. That's one group. Repeat 20 times. 1 short crochet, 1 short crochet, 2 short crochets in 1. The third round. 3 half double crochet 1 by 1, next a half double crochet in on stitch. That's one group. Repeat 20 times. Sew the top. Crochet 2 pieces. Install metal accessories, and now we get the cool earrings. Thanks for your accompanying. See you soon!